So when your zucchini reach the size between 6 to 8 inches is the perfect time to harvest. If you left your zucchini to grow more, your plant is using a lot of energy to overripe and overgrown this zucchini, and sometimes you'll lose the flavor and you'll lose the taste. So if we harvest this, toss this on the grill, the plant is not going to use any more energy on this. The plant's going to use the energy to make the small one bigger so we could get a faster harvest. So this is a 5-gallon container, as you guys know, and I got a stake and I'm growing it vertically up. So I have about 9 to 10 leaves and I got some small one. A sharp knife or a pruner when harvesting your zucchini, come all the way to the end, close up to the main stem, and then cut it out. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. If you leave your zucchini too long and you see the bottom is turning yellow, it means it's ripe. Since we have 9-10 leaves and we have about a lot of small leaves are growing, since we harvest the fruit here, the one leaf below, we don't need that one, so we're gonna cut out that one. So we remove the fruit and one of the big leaf. So now if the plant is coming up, it doesn't have to give the big leaf energy, it doesn't have to give the fruit energy. So now it push more energy to whatever left for the plant. So the plant, don't forget guys, zucchini plant will grow 4 or 5 feet. So this has a lot of growing to do. So I have a lot of harvest to do. So that's why it's very important to prune. And the reason why you should prune is more airflow. It's more, the plant is more healthy, and we're using less time, and plant is basically pushing up more energy for a faster production. So when these smaller leaves start growing and getting big, and we have like 2 more big leaves, then we could go ahead and remove the bottom leaf. This one is the bottom one right there. We could remove this. This male flower is finished. Don't forget, you guys could always eat the male flower, give it a nice fry. And what I'll do to keep it clean, I come and a nice cut there. So keep that really clean, and I could tie as I'm going. You see my tie right there, and I'm gonna tie the plant as it's going.